Welcome to Module 4 of our comprehensive cybersecurity course. In this module, we'll explore network security, how data moves through the internet, how to secure it, and how to prevent cyber threats. Plus, we'll have a hands-on session using Wireshark to analyze network traffic. Let's dive in. To secure a network, you need to understand how data travels. Let's start with networking fundamentals and the TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model is the foundation of internet communication. It consists of 4 layers. Understanding these layers helps us secure communication channels. Firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS, play a crucial role in network security. Let's break it down. Firewalls block unwanted traffic, but what about attacks that slip through? That's where IDS and IPS come in. Firewalls, IDS, and IPS work together to protect networks from cyber threats. Wi-Fi networks are a common target for hackers. Let's learn how to secure them. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your Wi-Fi security. Unauthorized network access can lead to data breaches. Here's how to prevent it. Now let's move to our hands-on session with Wireshark. Wireshark is a powerful tool for network analysis. Let's set it up and capture live traffic. Great job! Wireshark helps us monitor and secure networks effectively. Stay secure online and see you in the next module.